Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, yes, Monday, July the 18th, 2022, first day of the working week, and it's a hot day, yes, it's a hot day, but tomorrow it will be the hottest day of the week. Well, the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time for you. Yes, binary time. The binary number 4871. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Then between two ones comes an O. 3 O's we have here, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, we have always an O there and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, sorry. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. We have 3 ones here. If I place the 1 here, the fourth 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have 3 O's in a row, in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 3 O's we have here in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. If I place number 4, the fourth O here, we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Between two O's comes an 1. Then. Yeah. I'm thinking. Do we need to compare? Well, I need to... Yeah. Thinking. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can I go? Yeah, I need to compare. Look, we have here, if we compare this and that one, this row, only look to the ones. Here the 1, there 1, there 1. And here we have the fourth one. If I place the fourth one here, then we have identical rows. So I cannot place the 1 here. This should be an O. Okay, double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here or there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. So these two boxes cannot be an O. It should be a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. So if I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Need to compare. 101. Yeah. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. Oh. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 6 minutes. Great binary. Need to think a lot. Yes, it's not easy, but we solve it again. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Cyber block in Dutch, they call it. Yes, until then, bye bye for now.